Moach. Moach is the brain. Lev is the heart. Moach shalit ala lev. The brain naturally, in the way we have been created, is above the heart. And therefore, we are able to master our heart. The problem is that we get caught up in our heart. So how in the world are we supposed to stay and go out of this imprisonment of the heart? Well, it starts with ta'anug, pleasure. If you're going to start thinking, you transform, you redirect your brain to something pleasant, an experience that you had that was pleasant, that was calming, a good place, and you reconnect to it and reconnect to it again. At that moment, you go to that depth and you start training your brain to think deeply and to think out of your situation. You will see that the brain will actually overflow in the heart and start calming it. The heart, Kabbalah teaches us, is like fire. The brain is like cold water. When you think deeply about good things, good thoughts, you're able to quench the thirst of the heart and extinguish or calm the fire.